Hello everyone, welcome to another Funko Pop unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing Roddy Piper from WWE. This is a Target exclusive pop. And yeah, the Hot Rod Roddy Piper, of course, was in that movie They Live by John Carpenter. Yeah, that famous line, "I'm here to kick ass and chew bubblegum, and I'm all out of gum." But yeah, sadly passed away in 2015, unfortunately. He's one of wrestling's all-time greatest heels. He's just very iconic, you know what I mean? So, let's get him opened up and take a look at him. Right there. Ronda Rousey got her nickname from him, Rowdy. So, there is Hot Rod. Always like that logo, I guess you could call it, or that design. It says Hot Rod with the exclamation point. Got his kilt on, of course. Awesome. So yeah, pretty basic, not much to him. Nailed his look very much. So yeah, that's Roddy Piper right there. And let me know what you guys think of him. Thanks for watching this, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.